Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo and I am definitely excited to be back here on YouTube. On YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm doing a hair installation today and you guys, installing hair is not, my best. What do they say? It's not what I'm really good at. I'm still learning. This is a full frontal from Dragon City Hair. It's 30 inches. And let me tell you something. I have to pluck this hair because like I have to learn how to pluck hair, right? So that's why I think you won't really see that it's a full frontal. See right there, it is a full frontal. I promise you it's definitely a full frontal. I think I'm gonna show you in this video. Yeah, there, see, it's a full frontal, 30 inches from Dragon City Hair. I love this hair. It's so beautiful and it was super affordable. If you want me to give you all the details of where I bought this hair from, you need to come to my Instagram. I'll give you all the details, even the phone number, everything, because we don't gatekeep. Okay, we do not gatekeep over here. When I tell you this hair was super affordable, it was super affordable, like super affordable for a 30-inch wig, a full frontal on top of that. They did the installation for me as well. I'm gonna show you what it looked like when I did the hair installation where I bought the hair, so you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, I'm trying my best here to just do this installation, but you know what, it's hard, but I'm still learning. I'm watching videos on YouTube on how to do a hair installation, but I think I am getting better because yeah, I think I'm getting better. And another thing, when I was filming this video, there was load shedding. So when I started, there was electricity. Afterwards there was load shedding, and so all the stuff that I wanted to do I couldn't do. So I had to just like manage with what I had. And so yeah, that's why towards the end of the video you'll just see me not using any stuff like any, what is the stuff that we use, hair dryer to straighten the hair, hair straightener to do my edges. So all of those stuff I ended up not using it because literally load shedding. So you see here, I'm also showing you that it's a full frontal. It's just that I need to pluck the hair. So I didn't show you guys when I was doing my my edges because child, it's a struggle. I'm trying, like I'm learning every day, so you never stop learning. I'm sorry. I'm trying to do this voiceover thing and it's so hard. Oh my god. So that's a mascara that I was using there to cover up the foundation or the concealer that I used for that. But it looks so slick. It looks so good, you guys. I'm getting better at doing hair installations. Like I really am getting better. This is groundbreaking. As you can see, the girl is done, looking all fine, looking like a fine babe. You guys, oh my goodness, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram so you can get all the details about this hair and where I got it from, get a phone number, get everything. I mean, ciao. Go to my Instagram right now. You guys, I love you so much. I can't wait to see you next time because I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.